Welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. On the menu today, we have this delicious creamy Tuscan chicken. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
Now these are my ingredients that I'll be using. I have here 3 diced chicken breasts that I've just literally diced into bite-sized pieces. I'm also going to be using some double cream. Now I have some shaved Parmesan cheese. I'm going to be using some butter. I've got here some roughly about 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic. I've got my chopped onions. I'm also going to be using my sun-dried tomato. Now I've got the one that's in antipasti, and what I've done is literally just take them out and just cut them into 2 because they were quite large, and I kind of, your girl like bite-sized piece of things, so just put it in your mouth and go. I'm also going to be using some chicken stock and some spinach that I've just roughly ripped apart. Now I'm going to be lightly seasoning my chicken, and I'm going to be using my Maggi chicken seasoning, my smoked paprika, and also my complete seasoning. Now I used about roughly a teaspoon of each of these. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes just to bind it all together. I didn't want to go in too heavy with the seasoning because I want the flavors to come from that sauce that we're going to make. But if you want to go a little bit heavier on your seasoning, you're completely welcome. Or if you just want to go ahead and just really lightly seasoning, but salt and pepper and a seasoning, so yeah. Now I've added a tablespoon of cornstarch just to give a light coating on the chicken. Now in a heated pan, I've gone in with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and just gonna lightly fry my chicken breast. Now you don't need to fry your chicken breast for too long, because when you fry chicken breast for too long, it just tends to get too dry and chewy, and you go on enough water because it's gonna choke you, and we're not done for choking when we are eat. So literally you want to fry these for about, I'd say roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. Turn in halfway through, double check your meat, make sure it cooked before you take it out and serve it, and then I didn't go in with the full batch because if you're going with too much of your chicken, it's going to start to boil rather than fry. Now let's get onto this sauce. Now in a pan, I've gone in with my butter, my garlic, my onion, and I'm added in a little bit of thyme, and also I'm gonna add my chicken stock. Now I used roughly about a cup of chicken stock. Now I'm gonna go in again with just a little bit more smoked paprika because I do like the taste of it, and also it will just give it a nice little color. Now I'll let that simmer for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead now and add my double cream. If you're new to my channel, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload. Turning subscribers, big up on yourself. Now what I did was just added a little bit of mixed herb to my sauce. I'm also gonna add my spinach. Now I'm just gonna let this simmer down for a couple of minutes. Now after a couple of minutes, I'm gonna go ahead now and add my chicken. After I've added my chicken, let it simmer for a few minutes, then I'm gonna go ahead and add my sun-dried tomatoes. Add your Parmesan cheese. Now I just went for the little tub of the flaked Parmesan cheese, but you can totally use your grated, or you can freshly grate it, which is even better. But sometimes when you're lazy in the kitchen, and yeah, you just go for the easiest option. Listen, that's why them sell it at shop. And there you have it, guys. My creamy Tuscan chicken is ready, and I'm just gonna serve this over some tagliatelle and just enjoy. Now this is a super rich dish, but absolutely delicious. And I'm just literally gonna top it off now with some freshly shaved Parmesan cheese. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me, because it really helps my video. Share the video if possible. Share it with a friend or two or three. You know it got. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And as I always say, to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.